I've got my trucker hat on today because we've got 80 rust bucket GM trucks that have been sitting out in the field for years. They're classics, 50s, 40s, a few 60s, all coming to you from Vanderbrink Auctions. And if you ever wanted a real project, I mean real, because these things, take a look at them, whew, they're rough. But man, do they got that classic patina. So if you want to make a street rod and you're a good welder, I mean, maybe this is a project for you, or if you just want to have that vintage truck for your background, sort of like what I've got going on here, head down to Sanger, Texas. It's happening. And stay tuned because we've got one of our favorite customers coming in with his 50s retro mod pickup. This thing is an award winner, and you're going to want to hear what he has to say. And if you pick one up, let Zabos Customs know, because we'd like to take a look at it. So like, subscribe, and make sure you come back. Zabos Customs.